Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I will start lesson number 5, fraction. The topic is equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? A group of fractions with different denominator and different numerator that represent the same value are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions can be found either by multiplying or divide this numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Let us understand through an example. Find 4 equivalent fractions of 2 upon 5. How will you find 4 equivalent fractions? First, to note down 2 upon 5. The rule is equivalent fractions can be found either by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the given fraction. This is given fraction 2 by 5 by the same number. Same number means 4 equivalent fractions of 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 into 2 and multiplying 2 by 2. 2 upon 5 is multiplying by the same number with numerator and denominator. 1, 2. We need to find 4 equivalent fractions. Then 2 upon 5 multiply by 4 with numerator and denominator. And the fourth one, 2 upon 5 multiply by the next number. So 4 equivalent fractions of 2 upon 5 are 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6, 5 3 ja 15, 2 4 ja 8 and 5 4 ja 20, and 2 5 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 20. So these 4 fractions are equivalent to 2 upon 5. So student, another example is find an equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48. This is a large numbers, 36 and 48. So this is based on division. First find the SCF of 36 and 48. Okay, HCF of 36 and 48 by division method. 36 1 ja 36, 12 and 36 we copy here. So 12 3 ja 36. Remainder is 0. Then HCF is 12. Right here HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. So this number, this fraction 36 upon 48, numerator and denominator both are divided by 12. 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48. An equivalent fraction of 36 and 48 is 3 upon 4. This is a smaller fraction than 36 upon 48. This is a division method. So student, I hope you will understand both the process by multiplication and division by the same number in numerator and denominator both. So student, how can we verify the given equivalent fractions? Let us take an example. 2 by 3 is equivalent to 6 upon 9. A fraction 2 by 3 is an equivalent fraction of 6 upon 9. This is solve with the help of cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. By cross multiply means numerator is multiplied with denominator. 2 multiply 9. Put the equal sign, and here this numerator is multiplied with denominator. 6 into 3. 2 9s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. Both side left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's why 2 by 3 is equivalent fraction to 6 upon 9. This is the process of verification of given equivalent fractions. This is a simple method by cross multiply. So student, I hope you will be understand this concept. How will you verify the given fractions are equivalent or not? So student, the next part of the equivalent fraction is simplification. How will you simplify the given equivalent fraction? For example, 20 upon 24 upon 32. I repeat once again, the simplification means the standard form of a fraction is representing it in its simplest form. The fraction is said to be in its simplest form when the common factor of numerator and denominator of the fraction is 1. This is the simplest form. So what are the common factors? Common factors can be found with the help of SCF. So now we find the SCF of 24 and 32. Again the division method will be used. 24 divides 32. 24 1 is 24. Remainder is 8. Now divisor will be quotient. 8 3 is 24. Remainder is 0. So 8 is the SCF. 8 is the SCF of 24 and 32. Now by this SCF we will divide 24 and 32 both by the common SCF. The remaining answer 8 3 is 24 and 8 4 is 34 will be the simplest form of 24 and 32. So the 3 upon 4, the fraction 3 upon 4 is the simplification of 24 and 32. So student, I hope all of you will learn the concept of equivalent fraction. If you have query, we will discuss in our live classes as well. Thank you.